Hello from Slovenia again. I will do, sorry, another way that I used to do. I didn't do this for, I don't know, so long. Flour, but I will use this Ziploc bag, or how can I say, for my reverse tool. And I will just draw some kind of flower pattern on the canvas. It's been really long time, probably around 2 years, not 2 years, because March 1st will be my kind of 2-year anniversary on YouTube, because I start publishing my videos regularly, I will say, on March 1st, 2 years ago. And I published probably 3 videos just for, I don't know, first I had them just to see for myself what I did, and then I make them public too. So it will be 2-year anniversary on March 1st. And this week I will not have my live stream on Sunday, but on Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I will have a guest. I will pour with Marina, and we can chat, because Marina will be able to read the chat, and I can answer, and you will be able to ask Marina something maybe too, because sometimes it's interesting how some people that are not so familiar with pouring things. So don't forget to join me. And these 2 years was really amazing. I just I couldn't imagine that I will have 200,000 subscribers in 2 years, that one video will reach more than 2 million views, and I have 3 videos that reached 1 million and a little more. So really didn't expect that, and this happened because of you, all the lovely people that support me all the time. There is quite a lot of people that I know from my very beginnings. So really I want to thank all of you that find my videos interesting and inspiring, and that you learn from them. And special thank you to all of those who support me from my beginnings. Oh, and you can see I have a new spinner. It's not loud anymore. So it wasn't cheap at all, but I really couldn't stand that noise anymore from my previous plastic one. So, and I will use those reds that I used in other reverse flower dips again, but I will add some greenery around this time. And let's start. I will start with this alizarian crimson, and I will just draw some flower petals, kind of. And I did only 4. what I think about. So maybe I will add some dots here around. Okay. And let's add some pearl white. Maybe just like this. Okay. And whoop, some cadmium red. I don't know how this will look because I did 4. I thought I have 5 in my head, not 4. And I will add a little black too, just for some contrast maybe. And I will end up with this gold. All the brands and colors will be listed into the description box, so you can check them there, of course. Oops, didn't mean to add gold there. And let me add a little more of this darker red here. And I will just drizzle some green, olive green around in the spaces that there is no color maybe, and some green gold. And some pearl white, just to maybe add some lacing to it. Maybe I should add gold, I don't know. Just add a little more of the darker green on top. Oop. This paint is in my squeeze bottles for more than a year, so I don't know what will happen. Maybe I will just try to incorporate this 4 little petals into the flower. Maybe do this on the outside petals. You don't need to, but I'm just playing. So as you can see, it's not that you have to draw a perfect flower or something. And I have air in my zip bag, and I totally forgot how I did that. I maybe should watch some videos that I did. I'm afraid that I will have air pockets underneath. Hopefully not. And I will press and press a little, like, I don't know what is the word for this. Okay, and now I will just grab it and lift it. I will just do this, just so I will try. Well, I'm out of practice, obviously. And because I have quite some paint, I will just give it a little spin. because I have quite some paint in the middle. I will just torch it for the air bubbles first. A quick torch. One more spin. And because I don't have my paint leveled, you see, it's stretching in some kind of weird way. So, but I really want to stretch this part off, or I will add some white here to help this part flow off, and blow it a little bit with the straw. And I think that I need a little white here, and then I will spin it once more and leave it. And a little more here, because I like this center really much. Maybe I will just play with the center just a little bit more after this spin. It's like an orchid or something. Not the perfect flower. Because I did some mistakes. I'll just try to fix those parts that I find that I have to. Just to drag some paint towards the middle. But it's quite interesting, so I'm not sure about these outside petals, you see, but maybe I should just leave it like it was in the first place with those 4 petals. I don't know. Maybe one more spin. I was hoping that I will get rid of this a little bit, but I didn't. Maybe I can drag this part towards the middle and create the 5th petal. Okay, I will leave it now. I said I will leave it and then I blow it. Not so crazy about it, but not bad either. See how this petal goes here, because probably I don't know if I even like this gold in it, but now it is what it is. So this is another way for you to do a flower. I definitely would love to have 5 petals. I don't know why, but I think that it would be nicer, but still not so bad. See? What is it with this focus? Okay. I would probably like it more without the gold, but since I have gold in others, I thought I will add it too, and as you can see, you get some nice lacing too. I lost a lot of green because I have just too much paint probably. So for those who love flowers and have problems with drawing a flower, this is the way that you can do quite a decent flower, I will say. Abstract flower. I love those petals with those alizarian crimson, this red here. Too much gold probably, but you got an idea probably how to do it. So I will do some more with those zip bags maybe too, but with different colors to show you the more precise, but this was just a quick video to show you how you can do it too. This is it for today. Join us on Saturday 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for our live, or see you on the next one. Bye!